All right, guys. So we just looked at all the basics, but now we're going to start using numbers. We're going to be using examples. Okay, what we're going to be doing today is finding the vertex. Eventually, we want a graph, like I said. Okay, the vertex is made up of, what do you think? If it's going to be put onto a coordinate plane, it's going to be an x value and a y value. Okay, so we're going to need to find those. It's going to take us a little bit of work. There's two things that we have to do. Okay, I stick in a third step just in case. Okay, our first step is to make sure it's in decreasing order. So put in decreasing order. If it's already there, do you need to do anything? No. Skip the first step, move on to the second. The second step is we're going to be using a formula. We need to find our x value. Okay? This is going to be a lot of information and you're not going to understand, but just bear with me. We're going to need to find our x value. Okay, we need to find x by x equals negative b over 2a. Okay? We call this formula the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry. What does symmetry mean? What does symmetry mean? Well, symmetry is going to means to be symmetric, to be equal. So we're going to take our parabola, that U shape, and split it right down the middle, straight up and down, where x equals. Remember, when x equals a number, it's a vertical line. We're going to find where that line is, so if we wanted to fold it over, it would match up. So let me show you what I actually mean. So if we have a parabola like this, we are trying to find this. Okay? We're looking for x equals some type of a number, and this is the axis of symmetry. So it splits it in half, it perfectly makes it symmetric. Okay? Okay, free. So we found our x value for our vertex. How many things do you need? You need an x value and you need a, that's right, you need a y. You need a y value. So that's going to be your third step to finding the vertex. Find y. What do you think? If we have x already, because we're going to solve for it, what do you think we're going to do with it? You got it. We're going to find y by plugging or substituting x into the original problem. Okay? So once we solve for x, we plug it into the original problem and we solve for y. Okay? 3 easy steps. Can we skip the first one? Sure. Okay? But the second and third one is going to be very important to us. Okay? All right, so remember, axis of symmetry is negative b over 2a. And then take your x value, plug it into the original to get your y. Pretty easy. I think so too.